What's going on, guys? Today I figured I'd do a introduction slash update of my new to me 1990 Jeep Comanche. I bought this truck from the original owner who purchased it brand new in 1990 and finally decided to part ways with it. When I bought the truck, the only issues it really had was the four-wheel drive wasn't working and the transmission wouldn't shift when it was supposed to. So once I got it home, I started digging around on some Comanche and Cherokee forums and learned about the throttle position sensor. So figured out how to get it and test it. So figured out how to test it, and when I did so, I figured out my throttle position sensor was bad. So I bought a new one of them, put that on, and ever since then the Jeep's been shifting perfect. The four-wheel drive, that ended up being a vacuum leak on the front axle. The lines for the center axle disconnect had dry rotted and cracked and broke, so I've got them replaced, and now my four-wheel drive works. Since I've owned the truck, and after doing that, I've put this 3-inch rough country lift on it. So that was real simple to install. It was just coil springs for the front, shocks, and an add leaf in the rear with new shocks as well. And I put these 31 1050 BFG all-terrains on the factory wheels. They do rub a bit, nothing on the body, but they rub the lower control arm back here. So I may replace those with the factory WJ control arms eventually, just because they got that factory bend to keep them from rubbing. So the next plans for the truck is to get it painted. I already got a lot of the front end components on order and here in the garage, just waiting to put them on after the paint job. I ordered the new turn signals and headlights. I went ahead and ordered a new bumper for it because that bumper looks kind of rough. It'll probably just turn out better with a new one instead of trying to paint that. Ordered some factory style fog lights, so I'll put them on once I get it painted. Also, next top priority on the list is to get this exhaust fixed. It's got a dual exhaust on it, and I believe it's a glass pack, and it's just too loud for my liking, so I'm going to take it to the exhaust shop and get them to put just something similar to factory on it, and also see if they can get that exhaust leak fixed. I got an exhaust leak somewhere that's about to drive me crazy. Also, since I've got it, I put a new headliner in it because every time you drive the truck, the headliner material would fall down on you and wrap you up in it. So nothing else has been done to the interior yet. I will get this seat repaired. It's got a rip in it. We got 222,000 miles on it, so for the inline six, it's just getting broke in good. So yep, that's the update on the Comanche so far. Got any questions, drop them in the comments, and if you'd like to see more on the truck as the project continues on, just let me know. I appreciate it.